Control number 42138, please introduce yourself.
Hi, Ma'am and Sir. I'm Ergin Hasmin. I'm 34 years old. I have two baby, boy and girl, 15 years old and 12 years old. And I have two sisters and brothers, and I'm old for the family.
What is your educational attainment?
I'm finished high school graduate and Dagupan City National High School.
Why do you want to go to Hong Kong?
I want to go to the Hong Kong because I want to provide my money for my family and for the future for my child.
Have you been to any country before as an OFW?
Yes, I go to the Bahrain as 2 years as domestic helper and 5 years in Jordan as a domestic helper.
Do you have experience in taking care of old person?
No.
Do you have experience in taking care of newly born babies and children?
Yes, ma'am.
What can you do for babies?
I think I change diaper and taking care for them and take a bath.
Aside from your daily household works, what other special skills you can do?
Cooking.
What foreign dishes can you cook?
Italian cooking and Filipino cooking like adobo.
Describe yourself as a housemate.
I'm a good person and hardworking.
During misunderstanding with your employer, what do you do?
I apologize with him and say sorry.
Describe your relationship with your past and present employer. How do they treat you?
She's a good employer with him.
A message for a future employer in Hong Kong.
As this domestic helper, if I take me, madam and sir, I will do my best and I